Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install YouTube as a separate app in your PC or laptop. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, you should enter into the browser that you use in your PC or laptop. So after entering into the browser, you can either search for YouTube or you can paste any link that you have. So in my case, I am pasting my own channel's link. It's a kind of self-promotion. So after entering into YouTube, at the top right corner of your display, you can see an icon like this. So if you click on that icon, two options will be there. Either you can install it or you can cancel it. If you click on install, a new page will be displayed in your screen. So we have successfully installed YouTube. So this is such a simple task. So it is not complicated at all. So at the bottom of the screen in the taskbar, you can see that Google Chrome and YouTube are shown as two separate apps. So if you try to close Google Chrome, the YouTube app still works fine. So you can come to a conclusion that you have installed YouTube successfully. So I hope you liked the video. I do recommend you to like and subscribe to the channel. Peace, stay safe.